Gina with WTI. If the man in your life lives in hoodies like my husband does, then you are definitely going to want to get him a shirt from WELIGU. My husband loves this shirt because it's very soft, it has thumb holes, and of course it has the obligatory hoodie that he can't live without. But a total bonus is that it is 50 UPF. So it's really hard to get my husband to put on sunblock, and he always forgets even if I give him the tube. And so having this shirt already on is so amazing. I love that it has the thumb holes because then that covers some of the skin on his hands as well. This is 100% polyester, but it doesn't get that weird smell to the fabric after my husband has been wearing it all day, working out, working in the yard, or just wearing it around in general. We got the color gray. It is not a flat gray. It has a little bit of shine to it, but nothing too flashy at all. My husband really likes the color a lot, and it goes with so many different things. My husband has a 42-inch chest and generally wears a size medium shirt, and we got the size medium, and we would say this is true to size. There are so many different colors to choose from in this style, so you don't have to just get the one, get them all. My husband really loves this shirt. He wears it all the time, and that's our point of view.